Have you ever told yourself, tomorrow I'll start for real? You meant it, you believed it, but then tomorrow came and nothing changed. You didn't fail because you're lazy. You failed because your mind was programmed to protect comfort, not create change. And until you reprogram that system, discipline will always feel like a fight you can't win. Let's fix that. Chapter 1. The real enemy isn't laziness. When you say, I just can't stay consistent, what you're really saying is my brain doesn't see the reward yet. Discipline feels hard because your mind is running on old code. It's designed to avoid pain, seek comfort, and repeat whatever feels safe. So when you try to wake up early, work out, study, build something new, your brain doesn't resist you because it hates growth. It resists you because it thinks you're in danger. Here's the truth. You don't need more motivation. You need a new pattern of association. You need your brain to link discipline with safety and reward, not pain and pressure. Chapter 2. The Reprogramming Loop. Your brain learns through repetition and emotion, not logic. So if every time you try to be disciplined, you pair it with guilt, frustration, or exhaustion, you're literally training your brain to avoid it next time. Here's how you rewire it. Trigger, reward. Each time you do the hard thing, even for 2 minutes, pair it with an instant reward. Smile, stretch, say, that's me building discipline. It sounds small, but that's how the brain connects effort to reward. Reframe, identity. Stop saying, I'm trying to be disciplined. Say, I'm the kind of person who follows through. Identity sticks longer than goals. Repeat, rewire. The first 10 days will feel fake. The next 10 will feel normal. And then one day, it'll feel automatic. Because discipline isn't built in the big moments. It's built in tiny rewrites of what your brain believes about effort. Chapter 3. When you feel lost. Sometimes discipline isn't about moving forward. It's about not quitting when you can't see the path yet. You don't need to feel ready. You just need to act once. Enough to prove to your brain that you're still in control. Because every time you choose action over avoidance, your brain updates its code. You stop being the person who tries and become the one who executes. You can't wait for motivation to reprogram your mind. You reprogram it through motion. Discipline isn't about being stronger. It's about teaching your brain that the new way is the safe way. So start small. Move once, reward it, repeat it. And soon you won't have to fight your mind anymore because your mind will finally fight for you.